Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, W.D.T Performance. Today, just testing out my new camera here. It's a Panasonic camcorder, films in 4K. But anyway, you can see, here's the Dodge Challenger, here's the side right here. See right there, needs some work. I gotta sand that. I would have to get this all repainted eventually. I'm pretty sure I don't have to do it like that, but you take this. So today we're going to cut these down. Right there, right there, right there, and right there, and right there. Eventually, I need to change my calipers, the whole system for better ones. That's my son Nathan.
Wheel?
Yes, wheels. Hey, come on. That's the brakes.
I know.
Go see mommy.
Car.
It's the wheel.
Car.
Give me that pencil grinder. I think that'd be better.
So use the pencil grinder to cut it.
I'll try something different. I know what I can do. Use my polisher.
Okay.
Change that.
Okay, we had to change it up. Oh, there's one. So what is the problem? Oh, you gotta put that on because it's hot. Yeah, be careful there, Dad. My neighbors cross street, they're from India. They make the best food ever. Really good. my neighbor are from India. The names are Bastra and Bela. We love them very much. And we're going to jump ahead in the video. You could always skip for the video and see. So, hold on. Okay, awesome. I was wearing a face shield. Yeah, the JB wheels hold up really nicely inside here. So, what's next? You gonna clean these up right here?
I gotta clean them all up.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta take a stack of nuts up here. And I'm gonna
Polish it.
smooth it, make it flush all the way around.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put a little taper so you get the screws started again.
Okay. Then after that, we'll start putting the fiberglass onto here.
Right.
Vicrez. Yeah, see if you guys can make something like this for your wide body demon kit. It's an idea though. Again, love the product. Love my body kit. So Vicrez is a very good body kit company. They do other things as well, but yeah. So anyway, everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel, W.D.T Performance. Please subscribe to our channel, and please go to our Facebook and join our group called Wicked Toys. We'd love to have you. For everyone out there that's watching this video, thank you for watching. Please hit like, please subscribe, and stay safe out there, and God bless everyone. Love you all. Peace.